Created in 1954, Tuntex is a company with more than 60 years of experience in manufacturing bases in Taiwan and Thailand. Devoted to being an excellent textile supplier, we have established the Innovation and Research Center to focus on multi-level processing and functional, eco-friendly products. To keep pace with the global standards, we have set up vertical integration and have cooperated with different industries to provide our clients with premium development services. In most sectors of the textile industry, automation is one of the major keys to refinement and cost competitiveness. We developed TOPS, which feeds comprehensive data to SCADA systems, monitors, and interacts with manufacturing devices. Digitization of the entire process secures efficient product flow at every stage of the production. Furthermore, Tuntex automation system has drawn industry media attention and has been awarded with a patent. At Tuntex, textile quality control is exercised right from the initial stage to the end product. To fulfill the requirements of brand clients, we perform strict training and pass the laboratory certification. As an international business, Tuntex not only delivers the premium service but also performs its responsibility in environmental protection. Production of top quality textiles through sustainability is our priority. Solar energy, recycling wastewater, recovering heat, and reducing our footprints to the minimum are our focus. Additionally, we heavily invest in the newest, greenest technology, such as water jet loom, intelligent conveyor drive dyeing machine, natural gas boilers. At Tuntex, we always insist on providing great value while delivering premium goods to our clients. We take pride in being partners with world-leading brands and will continue to innovate and exceed our clients' needs because our partners deserve the best.